Hey guys, we're gonna make a video today, guys. Make sure you enjoy. Let's now work. So leave a like though, guys. And that's why I didn't make any videos because I'm too busy by owning my phone, making videos of my phone. If you didn't know, it's Brothers Type Gaming. So that is my phone. So Vivo Dakpang phone, so good. So it's done, and we're lost. My server got see my laptop. As you can know, my laptop. So the actually works. It's actually also. There was people here, so he was there, and boom, didn't teleport. Okay, yeah, didn't teleport. So that is all for it, guys. Hope you enjoy and bye.